Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Hair Hacks. I hope you are all fine and doing well. In this video today I will show you a beautiful haircuts and hairstyle. Haircuts will change your personality and volumize your hair. So, my dear friends, let's talk about today's trendy fashion about hair. Haircuts, hair color, and short hair are today's trend. If you love to follow trends, you will cut your hair, you will color your hair into different style and different sizes. Keep spotting me, keep on watching, and please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you once again. Till then, take care and bye.